Making money isn't complicated, but most people still get it wrong. They chase fast money and lose slow wealth. Here's how you can fix it starting today. Step 1. Start investing early. Small today, massive tomorrow. Even $5 a day can turn into a fortune. If you give it time, the earlier you start, the easier it becomes. Step 2. Control your spending. You don't need more income. You need better control. Every dollar you save is a soldier fighting for your future freedom. Spend wisely. Save smartly. Step 3. Build money-making skills. Degrees look good on walls. Skills look good on bank accounts. Learn to sell. Learn to market. Learn to solve real problems. Skills are the real currency of success. Step 4. Think long-term. Quick money fades fast. True wealth takes years. If you're chasing shortcuts, you're running away from real success. Patience isn't easy, but always wins. Step 5. Choose your circle wisely. You are the average of your 5 closest people. Surround yourself with winners, thinkers, and builders. Stay away from complainers and excuse makers. Money doesn't change you. It exposes you. Start today. Plant the seeds for your future life. Before you go, tell me, how many of these 5 steps are you already following?